Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use TikTok on a computer. This guide will show you everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. In the address bar, type tiktok.com and press enter. The TikTok website will load, and you'll immediately see popular videos on the homepage. Even without signing in, you can scroll through videos and explore content from different creators. To watch videos, simply use your mouse wheel to scroll up or down. TikTok will automatically move to the next video, similar to the experience on a mobile phone. You can also click on any video to open it in a larger view. Now let's sign into your TikTok account. Click the login button located near the top right corner of the screen. TikTok offers several login methods. You can sign in using your email address, phone number, Google account, Facebook account, Apple ID, or by scanning a QR code from your mobile TikTok app. Choose the method you prefer and complete the sign-in process. Once logged in, you'll have access to all TikTok features available on the web version. Let's take a look at the home page. The home page displays videos recommended for you based on your interests and activity. As you watch, like, and interact with content, TikTok will personalize these recommendations. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several navigation options. The Explore section helps you discover trending videos, popular hashtags, creators, and viral content. You can also use the search box at the top of the page. Simply type keywords, hashtags, songs, or usernames and press enter. TikTok will show matching videos, creators, sounds, and hashtags related to your search. Now let's see how to interact with videos. When watching a video, you'll notice buttons for like, comment, share, and save. To like a video, click the heart icon. To leave a comment, click the comment button, type your message, and press enter. To share a video, click the share button and choose how you'd like to share it. You can also save videos to your favorites for easy access later. Next, let's look at your profile. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and select View Profile. Here you can see your uploaded videos, followers, following list, likes, and account information. If you want to edit your profile, click Edit Profile. You can change your profile photo, username, display name, bio, and other account details. Now let's learn how to upload a video from your computer. Click the Upload button located at the left side panel of the page. TikTok will open the upload interface. Click Select Video and choose a video file from your computer. After uploading, you can add a caption, hashtags, mentions, and choose privacy settings. You can decide whether the video is public, private, or visible only to selected audiences. Review all settings carefully and then click Post. Your video will be uploaded directly to TikTok from your computer. If someone sends you a message, you can access it through the Messages section. The web version of TikTok supports direct messaging, making it easy to communicate with friends and followers without using your phone. Keep your browser updated for the best performance. That's it. Now you know how to use TikTok on a computer, from browsing videos and searching content to uploading videos and managing your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.